Winter can be tough on your health, but with the right herbs, you can boost your wellness while adding delicious flavors to your meals right from the comfort of your home. Welcome to the Herbal Beat. In this video, I'll show you 5 incredible herbs you can easily grow indoors this winter and how they can help you stay healthy all season long. But here's the twist. These herbs not only help you stay well, but are also packed with flavor for all your winter dishes. Want to know more? Keep watching to discover which herbs you can grow, even if you have limited space. Let's dive in. Imagine growing your own healing herbs indoors. No garden needed. Whether you're seeking a natural remedy for the cold or just want fresh ingredients to spice up your dishes, these 5 winter herbs have got you covered. Stay tuned to learn how you can easily grow them at home and what makes them so powerful for your health. You see, during winter, our immune systems can take a hit, but with the right herbs, we can support our health naturally. These 5 herbs we will talk about today are fairly easy to grow indoors, even in small spaces, making them perfect for those chilly months when fresh produce can be hard to come by. First up, chamomile. Known for its calming and soothing properties, chamomile is perfect for winter wellness. Its anti-inflammatory benefits can help reduce stress and anxiety while also promoting better sleep, essential during the colder, darker months. Chamomile is ideal for making herbal teas, which are perfect for relaxation and unwinding before bed. It can also be used to add a mild floral note to baked goods or smoothies. Let's explore how to use chamomile for better sleep. To reap chamomile's sleep benefits, try a chamomile foot soak before bedtime. Simply steep chamomile flowers in hot water, then pour the water into a basin. Make sure it's not too hot for your skin. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes to help calm your nervous system, promote relaxation, and prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. Here's how to grow chamomile indoors. Chamomile is grown from seed. It's best to plant it in a small pot with well-draining soil, keeping it watered but not too soggy. Chamomile likes moderate sunlight, around 4 to 6 hours per day. Harvest when flowers bloom, as this is when the plant has the highest concentration of active compounds. Next is rosemary, one of the most versatile herbs you can grow indoors. It is well known for its antioxidant properties and ability to boost memory and concentration. Rosemary is also great for aiding digestion and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Use fresh rosemary to flavor a variety of dishes, from roast meats to vegetables and even soups. Rosemary's bold taste enhances savory meals, adding depth and complexity to your cooking. Here's how to use rosemary for digestive health. For digestive issues, try making a rosemary tea. Simply steep a few sprigs of fresh rosemary in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This can help reduce bloating, ease digestion, and promote overall gut health. So soothing. You can also rub a few drops of rosemary essential oil onto your stomach for relief from cramps and bloating. Here's how to grow rosemary indoors. Rosemary can grow from both seeds and cuttings, but growing from cuttings is usually quicker and easier. Plant your rosemary in a small pot in a sunny location. Rosemary thrives best in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. It is also drought tolerant, so don't overwater it. Make sure the soil is well drained and let it dry out between waterings. Trim it regularly to promote healthy growth and to get the best flavor. You'll know it's ready to harvest when the leaves are aromatic and sturdy. Next is sage. Sage is a powerhouse herb for winter wellness. With its antioxidant properties, sage helps support cognitive health and may even improve your memory. It's also known for digestive benefits and can be helpful for soothing sore throats. Sage's bold flavor is perfect for stuffings, soups, or roast meats. You can even make sage tea for added digestive and immune support. Sage is particularly helpful for throat issues. You can make a sage gargle by steeping fresh sage leaves in boiling water, then letting it cool down. Gargle this soothing infusion a few times a day to reduce throat inflammation and to ease irritation. Here's how to grow sage indoors. Sage can grow from both seeds and cuttings. Plant it in a wide-mouthed pot that drains easily. Sage thrives in well-lit spaces with about 6 hours of sunlight each day. It prefers dry soil, so water it only when the soil is dry to the touch. Prune it regularly to keep it bushy and productive. Harvest it when the leaves are mature and vibrant. I hope you like what you're learning so far. So, if you're enjoying these tips and discovering how easy it is to grow your own medicinal herbs indoors, don't forget to subscribe to The Herbal Beat. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with friends who'd love to grow their own herbs this winter. Now, another great winter herb to grow indoors is bay leaves. These leaves are not only fantastic in cooking, but also have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaves are often used to help digestive issues and can also help with joint pain. Bay leaves are essential for adding an earthy flavor to soups, stews, sauces, and curries. Simply drop 1 or 2 into your cooking and remove before serving. Here's how to use bay leaves for joint pain. Bay leaves can be used in a soothing bay leaf oil rub. To do this, steep bay leaves in olive oil for a few weeks. After straining out the leaves, massage the oil into sore joints to help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. To grow bay leaves indoor, you need a large pot and a sunny spot. Bay leaf plants can be grown from either seeds or cuttings, but both methods can be slow and a little tricky. Whichever method you choose, know that bay leaves like well-drained soil and prefer being on the drier side, so don't overwater. Trim your bay tree regularly and you'll have fresh leaves to harvest as needed. And finally, lemon balm. Lemon balm is a refreshing herb that's perfect for winter wellness, and it is from the mint family. It has natural antiviral and antioxidant properties, helping to fight off colds and boost your immune system. Lemon balm also has a mild sedative effect, making it great for stress relief and promoting better sleep. You can use lemon balm to create a soothing herbal tea or add it fresh to smoothies and desserts. It pairs wonderfully with citrus flavors and add a refreshing twist to any drink. To use lemon balm for stress relief, try a lemon balm compress. Simply steep the leaves in hot water, let it cool down, and soak a cloth with the infusion. Place it on the forehead or chest for an immediate calming effect. Here's how to grow lemon balm indoors. Lemon balm can grow from both seeds and cuttings. Lemon balm loves bright light, but not direct sun, so place it near a window with indirect sunlight. Water it regularly, but allow the soil to drain out between waterings. Harvest the leaves frequently to encourage growth and flavor. And there you have it, 5 amazing winter herbs that you can grow indoors to support your health and flavor your meals. Which herb will you try growing this winter? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to The Herbal Beat for more herbal tips, health hacks, and easy natural recipes. Thanks for watching and happy growing!